Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into RadioEarn, a platform that claims you can make money just by listening to the radio. Sounds too good to be true, right? I mean, imagine getting paid just for having music or talk shows playing in the background while you work, relax, or even sleep. No effort, no investment, just press play and start earning. But is that really how it works? Or is this just another one of those platforms that make big promises, but barely deliver anything worthwhile? So, if you've ever searched for easy ways to make money online, you've probably come across apps and websites that claim to pay you for doing really simple things. Watching videos, clicking ads, reading emails, and in this case, just listening to the radio. Sounds pretty effortless, right? Well, that's exactly what RadioEarn is offering. It's a platform that claims you can earn money just by tuning in to radio stations on your device. You don't need to complete surveys. You don't need to download anything extra. Just play their stations and get rewarded. But of course, before we assume it's that simple, let's take a closer look at how it actually works. The process is pretty straightforward. First, you sign up on their website. It's free, so there's no upfront cost. Once registered, users can log into their account dashboard, where they can manage their radio links, track earnings, and explore additional options. The core concept is that users earn money simply by keeping the radio stream running. Every 15 minutes, they accumulate points, which are later converted into USD at the beginning of the following month. These earnings can be withdrawn through bank transfers, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin. For those who want to maximize their earnings, RadioEarn also offers an API, which allows website owners to integrate the service into their own platforms. This means website visitors can listen to the radio, generating points for the site owner without actively engaging with the platform themselves. Theoretically, this allows for passive income if a website attracts enough traffic. Now let's move on to the main process and try it out. Look at the top right corner. You'll see two options, sign up and log in. If you already have an account, you can click login. But since we're creating a new account, go ahead and click sign up. Now you'll be taken to the registration page, where you need to fill in some basic details. First, enter a username, then type in your first and last name. After that, enter your email address, and then create a strong password. You'll need to type your password again to confirm it. Once all the details are filled in, scroll down and click on the register button. After you do that, you'll see a message saying, "Thank you for registering," which means your account has been successfully created. Now click on the login button, enter your username and password, and click login. And there you go. You're now inside the RadioEarn dashboard. On the left side, you'll see a menu with different options, but the main one we need to focus on is Start Earning. Click on it, and you'll see multiple ways to earn, but the one we're interested in is Listen to Radio and Earn. Now once you're here, you'll see buttons labeled Start Radio 1 and Start Radio 2. Simply click on one of these to start streaming a radio station. As long as the radio is playing, RadioEarn claims to credit you points every 15 minutes. You pick one of the available radio stations and start streaming. Every 15 minutes that you listen, you earn points. These points can later be converted into real money, cryptocurrency, or even Amazon gift cards. Now here's the interesting part. How do they afford to pay you? Well, it's all about advertising. While you're streaming the radio, the platform is running ads in the background. They make money from these ads, and in return, they claim to give you a small percentage of what they earn. Sounds like a fair deal, right? You listen, they earn ad revenue, and you get a cut. But here's the real question. How much do you actually make? Because let's be honest, a lot of these platforms sound great until you realize the payouts are barely worth your time. So, is RadioEarn a hidden goldmine or just another time waster? Let's find out. According to their website, you earn 0.25 points every 15 minutes of listening. That means in one full hour, you'll earn 1 point. Sounds reasonable, right? But here's where it gets tricky. 1,000 points equals just 1 cent. Now let's break this down in real terms. To earn even a single cent, you need to collect 1,000 points. Based on user reviews, you earn around 10 points every 15 minutes, meaning you get 40 points per hour. That means in a full 24-hour day of non-stop listening, you'd only earn 960 points, which isn't even enough for a single cent. Now, let's say you're more realistic and only listen for 10 hours a day. At that rate, you'd earn about 400 points per day, meaning it would take you 2.5 days just to make 1 cent. To make $1, you'd have to keep this up for 250 days straight. And if your goal was to reach just $10, you'd be listening for nearly 7 years. Let that sink in for a second. You'd have to keep your device running for months just to earn what you could probably find in loose change under your couch cushions. And don't forget, your device needs to stay active while streaming, which means you're using electricity and possibly mobile data. If you're on a limited data plan, the cost of keeping RadioEarn running could easily cancel out any money you make. So, is this really worth your time? Well, unless you're already streaming 24/7 for some other reason and don't mind running it in the background, the earnings are barely noticeable. And that's before we even talk about how you actually get paid. Once you hit the $5 minimum payout, you have a few options to withdraw your money. You can cash out via PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift cards. On paper, that doesn't sound too bad, but let's be honest. If you're hoping to make real money from this, you're going to be disappointed. Technically, the platform is legit. It does credit points for listening. But the problem is, the earnings are painfully slow. We're talking not even $1 a month, unless you're running it 24/7. And then there's the cost factor. Keeping your device on all the time means you're using electricity, data, and possibly even wearing out your hardware. So you might actually be losing money instead of making it. On top of that, the selection of radio stations is pretty limited, so you're stuck with whatever they offer. And the biggest red flag? Payment issues. A lot of users report never getting paid, even after reaching the minimum cash out threshold. And if you're putting in all that time just to get nothing in return, then what's the point? Now let's talk about Trustpilot reviews. User feedback on RadioEarn is definitely a mixed bag. The platform has an average rating of 3.2 stars, but when you break it down, things start to look a bit concerning. 66% of users have given it just 1 star, which is never a good sign. Many people claim that the payouts are extremely low, with one review mentioning that they dropped the rate from $1 per 1,000 points to just 1 cent. That's a massive difference, and it makes earning anything meaningful incredibly difficult. Others say the site just loads iframes, possibly using your computer's resources while you listen to radio, which raises some red flags. There are also complaints about poor customer support, broken Discord links, and the fact that there's no proper way to contact them. If an online platform doesn't have a reliable support system, that's always something to be cautious about. But does that mean RadioEarn is a scam? Well, not necessarily. Around 20% of users have given it a 5-star rating, so some people are clearly satisfied with their experience. Maybe they've figured out how to make it work, or they just have lower expectations about the earnings. So, while RadioEarn doesn't seem like an outright scam, the earning potential just isn't great. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I found a better side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away, and it's very profitable. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is a great time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.